it's your girl Carrie for an unboxing video. We got, I don't know if you can see behind me, not really. We got lots of boxes here to unpack. We've got Wallace behind us making some noises, keeping it fun. So let's see what we got. In this box, we've got Elvis Presley on tour. He's got this like awesome white jumpsuit on. He's got a big cape, singing his heart out. Love it. In this box, we've got some horror figures. So we've got Ghostface from Scream. Let's see what he looks like. What's up is what always reminds me of this. Oh, look, he's got different heads and different bloody knives. And this is a big like Grim Reaper sickle, I guess is what it's called.
A sigh.
Sigh. Thank you. You can check that out. There he is there. Very cool. And the Evil Dead 2 cult classic. So we've got this guy. He does not have a name, but he will be dead by dawn, maybe. He's got different heads and arms. He comes with, like, I guess the tape recorder where they're gonna listen to the satanic messages and bring back the dead. Oh, this must be the book. So it comes with little items and an axe and a gun. Oh, these are like, different people. So you can see a little bit better there. Let's check that out. Alright. Here we've got some Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. So this is Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles 2, The Secret of the Ooze. So we've got Shredder, is this?
Yep.
Yep, okay. Wallace approves. He's got his big spear and different hands. I don't know if that's the ooze right there. Oh yeah, he's holding it. Check that out. So we got 2 of those. Oh, 3 of those. Alright. And in here we got a bunch of different small things in this box. So we've got My Hero Academia, Izuki, Soda, Funko Soda. Got Boss Monster, Vault of Villains. This is an expansion for Boss Monster, the game, so you can upgrade your dungeon, generate coins, expand to 5 to 6 players. Check that out. We got a couple of those for all the Boss Monster fans. I don't know if this is something carefully wrapped or if it's just a lot of paper. It's hard to tell. This is all just paper. Keeping everything super safe. Alright, and here we got some Batman figures. So you've got the Joker from The Dark Knight. You can see him there on the back. It's a nice figure. Cool. And we've got the Batman Who Laughs. The Joker Batman hybrid. He's got this like chain and he's got like a card. Very cool. some more Ninja Turtles. So we've got some foot soldiers. Comes with a weapons rack to hold all of the many weapons you can see here. And they come with different hands for different fights. You can see there in the back. Cool. And we've got Overboss. This is a boss monster adventure. Conquer the overworld. An all-new game featuring the retro villains of Boss Monster. Emerge from your dungeon and conquer the overworld in this devious tile placement game for 1 to 5 players. You can play it alone. Cool. Or with friends. Yay! So ages 8 and up, 20-30 minutes. Check that out. Bunch of little things in here. We've got this, Blast from the Past, Ace Ventura, Pet Detective. He's got some fun, he's got his fun hairdo and some animals to help him solve the case. Also have Richard Simmons, adjustable action figure. Cool. We've got a new Gremlins NECA figure. This is Ultimate Gamer Gremlin. So it comes with popcorn and one of those old-fashioned video game consoles. Oh, and he comes with a little Gremlins video game. That's cool. And some Coca-Cola and popcorn. Ready for a big night in. Oh. And we've got another big Ninja Turtles figure. So this is Trang and Gratmore. Check them out. They come with some guns, some different little accessories. You can see them there on the back. Cool. And here we got some Misfits figures. These are like a Halloween edition. So comes with like, you see there, he's got his like Santa outfit on, and he comes with like a green bag. Fun. Got 2 of those. And we've got Spectacular Spidey. So, Spider-Man. Also comes with some hand. You can switch him out to a different face. Comes with his camera. Awesome. Oh, and like I guess when you switch out his face, you can also hold his mask. Cool. Alright. Now we're in for the many pops. And they've all been packed upside down, so we'll try to together what they are. Oh, we got the Coca-Cola bottle cap. These have been selling really quickly. Got Jeff Gordon from NASCAR. I like his sunglasses, yeah. We've got, ooh, Tennis McNugget. This is a new one. Cute. And we've got, oh, the Coca-Cola can. Very happy. We've got another NASCAR player, Dale Earnhardt. And, oh, the Fireman McNugget. So cute. Alright. And in this box, we've got, oh, some more of those Valentine Day Yoda, Star Wars figures. We've got Terror Claws, Skeletor. Got another Yoda. We've got Cobra Can, Masters of the Universe. As well as another Yoda. Stocked up on Yodas and Cobra Can. There's a real comeback from Masters of the Universe right now, so we're stacked up. Here, got Friends, Ross Geller, Sputnik. Got a Coca-Cola can. Got another Terror Claus. And another Ross Geller. Maybe the worst friend. I don't know. Up for debate, I guess. Takes all kinds, as they say. Alright, more Coca-Cola bottle caps. Oh, we've got the Spam can.
Spam.
I know someone who's going to be excited about that. Super cute. Oh, we've got Rockstar McNugget. Getting the whole McNugget trio. There's actually 4. Oh, we got some Fortnite figures. So this is T-Antina. That is a very cool name. And Eternal Voyager. He's like a blue skull. And Midas. Shadow. He's cool. He's all gold. Awesome. Got Friends, we've got Monica Geller as like dressed up as a cat. This is like the Halloween edition, I guess. We've got some My Hero Academia ones. So this is President Mike. 2 of him. And 3 of him. Box we have, ooh, this is cool. My Hero Academia Tamura Shigaraka. She's got this like face on his hands. Face is getting all pushed. Oh, he's got a bunch of hands on him. Cool. Oh, we've got Best Jeanist. Wears his jeans really high. Very like pandemic appropriate. We've got Grizzlor from Masters of the Universe. And we've got Rachel Green. She, I guess, is dressed up as a, like, princess. Awesome. Trying to clean up as I go this time. Alright, that's the end of that box. Carried it. Oh, in this box we are stocked up with She-Ras. These sold out super quick. They're super cool. Everyone loves She-Ra. And if you're looking for a mighty figure, we got a big old He-Man. See him there. He's about probably a foot high. So super big pop.
Wow.
Alright, what's in this box? Oh, I don't have my knife. Can I? Thank you. Oh, more She-Ra. Oh, yay. We're stocked up on She-Ras. Another big box. Okay. We've got this, I think is so fun. It's the Wienermobile, Oscar Meyer. I love that this was like a real vehicle. Oh, I wish I were an Oscar Meyer wiener. Cool. And then this has got some of our Simpsons Funko Pop. I think it's Scratchy. And Duffman.
I want to call back in a couple minutes so I can check
Gangster
the air.
Bart.
Okay, give me about 10 minutes.
And those are repeats.
Yeah. Okay, thanks, mate.
Oh, and we got the new from TCP, which is the zombie alpaca. Cute and scary. Here we've got some more from the Tasty Peach collection. So this is Queen Bee Meowchi. Super cute. She's a cat, she's a bee, she's the Queen Bee Meowchi. Also have Star Wars Darth Vader, Valentine's Day, holding a box of chocolate. Says, join the heart side. Super cute. And we've got an all-for-one My Hero Academia keychain. Nice. Chewbacca on Valentine's Day. I chew you. It's not too late to tell someone you chew them. Chews. And we've got the Udon kitten eating some noodles. And the vanilla berry, what do they call them? Nomwal. Nom nom. Very cute. And in this box, we have, Run DMC. So we got Jam Master J, DMC, and Run. Cool. And we're restocked on Chief Wiggum. Fun. Boxes say, stop, do not open before January 1st, 2021. I think we're good. Alright, this one, I've got Itchy and Scratchy, the Notorious Duo, holding, Itchy's got like a bat, Scratchy's got his handy dandy hammer, ready to go.
Whoa, Scratchy.
And we've got USA Homer. And a Valentine Stormtrooper. This one says, "You're the droid I'm looking for." Cute. You got a box of chocolates. Alright. And last box of this box, it's more zombie alpacas and non-whales and Let's see if I can get it out. Hurrah! So we got a full case of the only Grumpy Cat. Looking very grumpy, just like his it's like the original cute icon. And we've got some more friends. So there's Phoebe and Gunther. Gunther doesn't get to dress up. And Joey, dressed up as a cowboy. Alright, in this box, we've got Joey, and Chandler, dressed up as a bunny. And some more friends. We're stocked up on all the friends. And in this box, we've got some more Phil Connors with Punxsutawney Phil, his little groundhog friend for Groundhog Day. Got a couple of those. And we've got the Fry Kids. Oh, this one kind of fell out of his box. There we go. The Fry Kids. Nice.
I think I was just talking to you a while ago. You said 4 o'clock or something. Come down for some old comics.
Okay.
All right, perfect.
You interested in taking a look at them, or?
Oh yeah, yeah. Just bring them around.
Sorry, you're not my way. You guys busy these days?
Oh, we got another box of comics. Don't mind me, I'm just filming.
Yeah, we got a whole box of them here.
Oh. See if I can get this one out.
For all the attention. I believe.
So here, we've got more Skeletor and Panther. Very cool. Check that out.
Do you have any Harley Quinn stuff?
Not in this shipment, but
Turtles. I love the turtles.
some Terrapile, Skeletor,
Awesome.
and Mina Ashido, My Hero Academia.
Oh, I thought you showed them to me.
Sorry, I'm filming.
Sorry.
Oh, there we got Shoto Todoroki, My Hero Academia. And here, got some more friends. There's Chandler's bunny and Rachel. And we've got Lloyd, Dumb and Dumberer, and his nice tux. Alright. I think that's the end of the box. Oh. Now we just have the biggest box left. Let's see what's in it. got more Funkos. We've got some restocks. We got Esmeralda and Jasmine, Disney princesses. Also got Peter Pan. Go with our Captain Hook. We've got El Hero Invicto, as well as the depressing Edgar Allan Poe holding a little skull there. We've got Salt from Salt and Peppa. We've got Peppa somewhere. And we've got another
Really old? They're really old, ain't they?
C-3PO.
No, from the 90s.
Star Wars. And a few more carefully wrapped Funko Pops. We've got Homelander from The Boys. You've seen that show. Very cool. As well as Starlight from The Boys.
So which file is your rejection file?
This file actually, because there's a lot of stuff that we either have or it's just not,
Yeah.
or like it's in rough shape. We won't, you know, like a bed like that and all that. We
Here we have
can't take
Rem. It's a cool figure. It's like a blue witch. Love that. Love the outfit. Got some Transformers, Foster and George reaction figures, as well as Nosferatu, glow in the dark. Cool. We've got this guy from Vibration Stars. You can see him on the box there. As well as Gremlins 2, the new batch. It's like Greta. Oh. She comes with this like potion and a pink scarf. Very fun. And here we have a bunch of plushies. So we got some new plushies from Five Nights at Freddy's. Got, let's say Demon Slayer. It does not say. Let's check that out. Oh, another Five Nights at Freddy's.
Yeah, generally, stuff is worth a lot, right?
And another plushie.
Much too much stuff.
Another, I think, Demon Slayer. It's all in Japanese, so leave it in the comments if you know. And the Funko Pops keep coming. We've got a bunch of great Garbage Pail Kids. So there's Leaky Lindsay. She is snotting everywhere. Gross. We've got Alligator, Allie the Gator, eating some fish. We've got JDK. Like he's been in the ground for too long. And Split Kick, the half punk, half normie kid. book goes for days. Got the Sorcerer Mickey, really nice. Comes in like a plastic box. More Garbage Pail Kids. More of the Miles Morales. So these are tracksuit Miles. And then these are more Garbage Pail Kids. Alright, I got some mess made. So these are very well boxed up. Voltron, Defender of the Universe. So let's see what he looks like. Comes in this very nice shiny box. Ooh, look at that. And then you open it, and it's an even shinier box with Voltron. And he has like different heads and like this weapon and this shield. Very, very nice. Ooh, ooh. Carefully packaging back up later. Here we've got a One Punch Man figure. This is Master Lies. You can see him there in the box. And we've got this Creature of the Black Lagoon. It's like a little figure. Comes in this cool box. You can see he's kind of like in the lagoon. This is a very dark box. Can't barely see what it is, but it says super flexible seamless body with stainless steel skeleton. This is TB League. They specify it is not designed as a sex toy, so very interesting. Not familiar with this. It's very dark. See there, cool. We've got a bunch of new Dragon Ball Z figures. So this is Dragon Ball Super Son Goku. You can see there on the box. And we've got, I think this is also Son Goku. Kind of in his fighter pose. Very ready to roll. And another Super Saiyan Gogeta. You can see him there. Cool.
I don't got the flu. I just got a small first cough.
This is Super Saiyan Goku. No. This is known as Maximatus, a series figure series made with maximum size, holding, and coloring techniques. You can see better there.
Yeah, just,
Super Saiyan Godson Goku.
Do you want to give me about another 10 minutes or so?
Back there.
Sorry about that.
My table is filling up.
Okay.
Make some room. And we've got Espresso. That's a company, I think. Espresso Point, maybe? cool. Check that out. Here, this is Creator. You can see him there. And this is another Dragon Ball Z figure.
Probably the best I
Cool.
could do is probably about $60 for it though. That stack there. The rest of there, like I say, 90s stuff or 80s. It's probably in the 1990s that they put out 10 million of every comic, right? So a lot of that we had multiple times.
This Dragon Ball Z figure too. Also
If you
pretty
want, we could do 60
big.
for that pack. Now that would have been better, except for some of them like
Cool.
the folds on that just chops the value of that, right?
I'll add the bags right now. Right out there. Appreciate what they did for this.
Okay. There you go.
Thank you very much. I'm just gonna have a problem here.
Oh, no problem. Okay.
What? Let's see.
Alright. The last two boxes. Let's see. I have lost my knife in the mess.
You wanna know what Hannibal Lecter real figurines I mean?
Cool. We've got Optimus Prime. Oh, I guess that's a mess made here. You can see him there. Really cool, kind of 80s style. Check out the box.
Alright, thanks for your time.
Okay. Thanks a lot.
Thank you.
See you.
The last box. Alright. And it's Megatron! Cool figure, very big. Doesn't really come with any small parts, just like big 7 points of articulation. Good for children, maybe not, I don't know, but check that out. We did it! 40 minutes of unboxing. Thank you for watching along, and we'll see you at the comic book store.